character and excellence are built with adversity. So what do I mean by that, okay? Obviously, I'm talking to a 7-year-old right now, or this would be advice that I would give to my 7-year-old. So what do I mean by that? Let's do a good analogy. So you have to be able to play the game against people who are way better than you if you want to make yourself better, right? So we'll use the soccer analogy because my son's playing soccer right now, and he's about to move from the under-8 group to the under-10. Now, when he moves up, he's going to be the small fish in the big pond. Right now, he's the big fish in the small pond, so things are easy. He's able to just go around everybody else. He's scoring multiple goals every time he plays. But that's going to change a little bit when he moves to the next group up, because there's going to be kids who are bigger than him, who are faster than him, who are more experienced, right? So what's going to happen there? He's got two choices when he goes into that league. He's going to either rise to the occasion and get better, which I know is what he's going to do because I know the kid and he's so determined, or he's going to back out and quit. It's the same thing in life, right? So anything that you do in life, whether it's soccer, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a musical instrument, whatever it is that you're trying to do, you have to be around people who are better than you. You have to find those people and see what it is that they're doing so that you can then learn and get better yourself. So if you're debating someone, don't debate someone who's not as intelligent as you are. Debate someone who's smarter than you. Go and learn something. Because that's the only way that we get better. Just as like a diamond, right, doesn't become a diamond from no pressure, right? You put coal under pressure, enough pressure, you end up with diamonds, right? Well, it's the same thing with people. We only thrive with adversity. If things are super easy and we just get everything handed to us, where's the push to get better? There is none. You have to be able to get comfortable with adversity. Get comfortable with adversity. You have to be able to push yourself and learn to push yourself when you're playing against someone who's better than you.